Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate a page in Canva. Okay, first open your Canva project, then click on the resize, and then choose the custom size. And here you can simply swap or flip the width and height values like this. Just click and then choose the landscape. After that, just click copy and resize to create a design with the rotate size. Waiting the process. And then just open. Like this. And just like that, your page is rotated. But keep in mind, the resize feature is only available for Canva Pro users. And if you're using the free versions, here's a workaround. Just go back on your home page and then create. And then choose the custom size. And then create a new design with the flip dimensions like before. Like this. And then create new design. After that, you can copy and paste your design before to the new page. Copy and paste. Like this. And that's it. That's a simple trick to rotate your Canva page layout on pro users and free users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.